It is connecting to ourselves as women in the deepest possible way, connecting to our sexuality, helping us banish fear, shame, stress, judgment, to recognize that we are all part of the whole, and it's bringing us together in this ancient circle. It used to be like that way back in the sisterhood with the high priestesses and in the temple, and in this space, that's what it feels like to me. There is such love and such support and compassion. It's so beautiful. It has helped me step into my power. It has helped me say, yes, I'm a big, strong, powerful woman, and that's quite all right, thank you. And that feels really good. I don't have to hide my light so that other people can feel big. I can be big and help them feel big too. Every woman in the world needs to go through this. It is so empowering, it is so healing, it is so awakening, it is such a beautiful experience. I see Amrita as, she's got a lot of power, she's very organized, she's straight, she gets everything done, she makes this possible, And Caroline is so knowledgeable and so wise, and she makes it so much fun. They complement each other so beautifully. I love to be around both of them. We had lost our sisterhood. We have lost it. Worldwide, it just doesn't exist anymore. And the world needs us back like this. And we need each other back like this.